Morning thoughts. I would like to send a special shout out and big up to all the people who work hard all week. If you're one of those people that are on a schedule of Monday to Friday, right? Today is your Friday. It's Friday. Enjoy your weekend and be safe, yeah? For those of y'all who have to work on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, but you have your other couple days off during the week or whatever, big up yourself, same way, hard workers, right? Mad thing I wrote, dog. Anyway, my morning thoughts before going inside this morning to earn my daily bread. I just read a story in the Loop, right? So this one right here is about Jamaican mothers of criminals need to stop protecting these young criminals. All right. Go over to the Loop. Big up to the Loop newspaper, because that's enough of where I get to story them from. The only difference between us and them is they're just in writing, but we expound upon it and put our own spin on it, raw and authentic, right? Anyways, watch this. The story was very interesting. The story tells a tale of a woman out, she's in a marketplace somewhere in Kingston, that's so, and I have to look who they're behind me, you know. She's in a marketplace someplace in Kingston, right? And she did a higgler, sell her goods and thing, and a little youth come up and say, "Hey girl, give me your chain before me bust a shot in your face. Or bust a shot in your head, either head or face," him say. Right? This is how she recounted the story to police. She said she take off the chain, give it to him, because she don't want no shot bust in her head, right? So him and him brethren them walk away now. One of them, face heavily bleached out, and pull him hoodie over him head and a walkway, while have a knife in one hand and the chain in the other hand, right? As them walk not too far down, one of them yell out, "Yo dog, police in the area." But before that, she heard one of them say, "Mad thing a road, dog." You know what I'm saying? Mad thing a road, dog. You know this man, I don't know. Anyway, "Yo, police in the area, dog." Boom, police, back them up. Plainclothes police, back them up. End up catching one of them, right? The one that had the chain. "Here, my youth. Carry the youth got a police station, his mother show up, right? His mother show up in time to meet them at the police station." So, what's the first thing the mother says according to police witnesses and civilian witnesses? She said something about police. What him do now? As far as me know, is a shirt him gone down tongue a buy now. Him not do nothing. Him innocent man. Give him a chance now. You know. So this brings me to say this. I'm not gonna be callous, right? Sometimes you try your best with your picnic them, and I'm not even old enough to have kids that are that big when I talk about sometimes you try your best with your picnic them, but I can only imagine because I've seen it throughout my lifetime. Missy picnic where grow good from good parenting, and them end up go take up badness at street and follow bad company. You know what I'm saying? And break the parents' heart, man. And the parents try them best and really couldn't steer that kid right no matter what them try. So a lot of the times it has to do with the child just decides same one broke bad, whether it's product of his environment, surroundings, or whatever. That's why it's important to stay in your kids' ears, to stay in your kids' face, to make them know say bad company now carry you gonna know we're good. You understand? Bad company now carry you gonna know we're good. Picnic. Hear this. Mommy, daddy, I try to defend our youth. And what mother wouldn't? I mean, you don't want to see your child. It's so hard. It's easy for a lot of us to say stuff like, "Dash them way. The police murder them Ross." But then when it's your child, you're gonna be crying and thinking, "Look how hard me try. Look how me try hard with the youth. Me do my best. Me genuinely give him everything, to include material things and to include time and attention." You know what I'm saying? And all these things me teach him from early till now, and I decide road him choose. So when the foot upon your shoes, when the shoes is on your foot, it squeeze a little bit harder, you know. You know what I'm saying? But my message to the parents them in Jamaica, especially the mother them in a certain area, some of them volatile areas, and we've done many videos where we talk about a breed up for a whole heap of different man and breed up for some broke man and some waste man, and you don't know already, Lord God, Keisha, just say I'm head look good, just say I'm, boy can't focus, say him, would big say, and running down all the wrong things, all the wrong prerequisites to a good father and a stable home. Not saying that two parents are gonna be forever together in our home to raise this child, but it's been proven that even when parents go their separate ways in life, because we grown, we understand that, right? Even when they go there, man and woman broke up and children are involved, if both parents have the children's best interest at heart and both parents are responsible adults and are in a position financially, physically, mentally, spiritually to provide for these children, the children them still almost always turn out good. So again, now back to the choices that we spoken about before. But the mother them, man, you need to stop it. You hear me? Stop it. If your son a broke shop and pickpocket and a whole of people and rob people, is only two things gonna happen to him sooner or later. Either I'm gonna go in morgue or I'm gonna go to prison. You hear me? And if him can't hear it, what we saying in Jamaica, when you can't hear what, you're gonna fail. Hard ears make a soft ass. You see what I say? No Batman thing intended. So, with that said, I'm gonna go inside, man, and get my daily bread. Y'all leave the comment in the comment sections below. Let me talk about them things, yeah. Big up Jamaica, you know. Big up my people, them, my progressive, productive people, them. Burn out the hypocrites and parasite. Burn out the waste people, them. The people, them, want to get up every day and don't want to do nothing productive with themselves. Come on social media, cause productive, progressive people every day. Go find something to do with yourself, yeah? Go and make something progressive and productive of yourself too. And moves where I say, last year we said progress. This year we say hashtag what? More progress. It's SouFLoTV, man. I'm out of here. Bam. Oh.